Welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine, and I'm here to help you try to figure out how to do a wing eyeliner. So if you want to see that, you could just hang out with me and we can figure this out together. Go get something to drink because this might be a long one. I don't know. But yeah, let's figure this out. I'm going to break it all down. Maybe it'll help you. Maybe it'll be easier. I don't know. Go get some Q-tips because you might have to lick them and clean them. Alright, so I'm just gonna help you, okay? Okay, so now you're close. You can actually see every lump and bump on my face, every wrinkle. I mean, this is really close. Alright, so I'm gonna show you what I can do, what you can do. Make it easy. Okay, so I'm gonna take the e.l.f. brow liner, brow gel, and I'm gonna take my $4 brush. I'm going to dip it in. Just get a little bit on the brush. And then you're going to go right here. I know, my eyes look crazy. And you're just going to line ever so slightly underneath your eyes. This way it makes your eyelashes, nice. And they look fuller with just this little tiny amount. But the reason why I do this is so you can take it, go in the corner of your eye, not stabbing your eye, and just flick out. And we're going to do the other eye. I'm going to go here. Now, I tried to film this before, and there was a lot of noise because I live in New York. And so there might be a little bit underneath my eyes. So I'm sorry about that, but I'll show you. All right. So now we got it there. See? Now you're going to take this, go right into the corner, and pull. And pull. And that's it. Now you take... I have used many eyeliners, like I've said in my last video. If you want to see that video, the card is up there. So I've done very expensive ones. I've used MAC. I've used everything on the market. I've tried. My favorite eyeliner is from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. It's $1. This is one of the ones. This one has a little bit of a shine. They also sell, if you can find it, the matte one. This one is amazing. But I mean, I love both of them, so it doesn't matter. I mean, if you want no shine, go with this one if you can find it. It's kind of a little bit hard. I mean, try on their website or something, I don't know. But you could go with that one. This one you'll probably find with no problem. $1. LA Colors. LA Colors. $1. My favorite eyeliner. It doesn't run. It doesn't move. Once you put it on, it's there. Just let it dry before you curl your eyelashes because you can pull it off because you do have powder eyeshadow underneath. So obviously it's not really sticking like crazy to your lid. Now this is the matte one, but this is why I like it. So now you take this and instead of working all the way in, you don't need to go all the way in. You start from the middle of where your iris is, the middle of your eye. Wait, I gotta just find my eyeball before I frig this all up. Alright, so you're gonna go from here and you're gonna pull. This is so hard to do this on camera. Go from the corner that I made you pull it out, pull that out. Put it back in. You don't want too much though. Alright, wait. I'm just gonna flick. And I'm blind as a bat, so I can't see what I'm doing at all. I can't see. But I'm winging this one. Get it? Wing. Okay, so now that we're there. So now you're gonna go back in. Now that you got these two spots, you're going to go back in and you're going to fill it in. And when I was younger, I went and I had professional pictures done and they had done my makeup. And they took my eyeliner and they went all the way in from the corner of my eye. And my eye looked so heavy. And it just didn't look right. I mean, it just didn't look right. So I find it more natural to do it this way. I know that you guys wear false eyelashes. This is, I guess, for more of like a beginner. You know, that you don't need that full line. Even if you do need that full line, start from the middle. Start from here, work your way out. And then go from, I would say, really gently go that little line. I mean, I don't even, I can do it. I mean, I've been doing this for years. So, but once you hit that middle of your eye, it is just so much easier to go from there out. And then from here to the middle. And I think that'll help you. You know, I mean, you got to just practice. Do it at night. Do it at night before you go to sleep. And then you wash your face and you go to bed. All right, so I'm going to do the other eye. So let's see. I'm going to go from the middle. And you're going to pull out. Now, once you get from there, you stop here, right? You go here to the corner. And you pull out. See? And now you draw your line from that corner. That's why you need this skinniest brush possible. You go back, not all the way at the tip, just in a little bit. And you're going to grab this and you're going to pull back to that. I hope you saw that. And then you're going to fill this all in, like you're coloring in a book, like a crayon book, you know? It's just easy. We all know how to color. Go in and you color. And then if you want to go in, all the way in, because you wear false eyelashes, go in and connect to the top. See? Hopefully that'll help. Okay. So let's see. All right, so one is a little bit thicker. Let me go back in. And just add to the one that's a little bit thinner. And then the other thing is if you have two eyeball shapes that are different, which everybody does. Nobody has like the same exact eyeball shape. You know, your line is going to be a little bit different on each eye. Like this eye is more puffed out on me. Like it's more of a rounder, you know, eye. Where this one is more of a flatter eye. I know this sounds crazy, but it's true. This one always arches up a little bit more on my eyelid because I have a fatter eyeball, I guess, on that side. And then this one, you know, just is always like the nicer line. It always is easier. So, all right. So now I do that. Now, if you want, and you want more of a dramatic look, you go back in with Mr. Elf. You get a little bit more. And then you grab from the middle of that little tail and you start pulling it down. Okay, so we're here. This is what we got so far. So I don't make it extremely thick. I mean, if I really want to get dramatic, I mean, I could do like a really dramatic eye and bring this all the way in and make it so like beautiful. But you know what? This is like an everyday for me. This is how I walk around every day. And if you want to get a little bit more dramatic, either you can do the nude color inside your eye to open it up, or you could do the white eyeliner inside your eye and I'll open it up. Or you could go to Target. Target has Pixie. And I found that this is the best eyeliner for inside your eye, inside your waterline. So you're gonna take that. You're gonna open it up. I know, crazy eyeball again. And you're gonna push that in. And you don't have to go crazy, but hold it there. Let it dry. Because I find that if you don't let it dry, well, I don't know about this one. This one doesn't budge. Once it's in there, it's in there. You know? And there you go. Look how pretty that is. Doesn't that look pretty? Okay, so we're here. We got it in the waterline. Now, if you're going to wear false eyelashes, you don't want to have that disconnect between the inside and the outside. So you go in here and you tight line it. Okay? Like that. And then you got the whole eye covered in black eyeliner. So, you know, can you see it? Hopefully you can see it. And there you go. All right. So now from this point, I usually take this type of brush. It's tiny, like really tiny. And if I want to add like some kind of glitter or like frosted eyeshadow, this is when I take this little brush. I'm going to use this one. Profusion palette. And let's see, metallics. This is the metallic one. See, metallic. And I go into whimsical. See that? I take that and I just dunk my brush in there. And I just add it right to here. Look at the difference. I hope you can see this. But look, I mean, you just take it and you go in here. And also, you know, if you're a more mature lady or you have the hooded eyelids, I find when you use this type of eyeshadow and you put it in here and you just pull it up just a little bit higher, it kind of like holds that wrinkle that happens. I can't even make the wrinkle. See that? There's that wrinkle. So when you go in and you pull it just a little bit higher, it like has like some kind of gripping agent. Look. All right. So I hope that helps. Let me know. Drop down a comment down below. Tell me if this helps you. I really hope that it helps you because, I mean, I had such a hard time when I was learning. I mean, let me tell you, you can't even imagine what my first couple of wings look like. I mean, one was up here, one was down there. It was just a mess. Just to let you know, I use Blitz and Glitz from MAC. That's their liquid gel. I use that one. Or I use the e.l.f. and I think this is medium brown. I don't know. You can see it. Yeah. There you go. And then like if you want to like make this more dramatic down there, I go in with this brush. I don't know what the hell this is. A pencil brush, I don't know. I have no idea. And you dip into like a darker brown or even like an eggplant color. Like I've used an eggplant or mixed them together. And you can go down here and just add to that. Dip. This is Honest, the Honest shadows. Oh my god, these are so nice too. I love these too. And just pull. Now if you want to go even more dramatic, you could go in here. I mean, I know that you guys are here for the wing eyeliner, but I might as well show you while I have you here. And just dust it in. And I'll give you that more smoky eye. You know? Well, I really am happy that you guys are here, and thank you so much for coming. And I really hope that I could help you. So, bye for now. Please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you part of my family. And give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Tell me if like this helped you. Maybe I'll make more videos like this, you know, to help somebody. Because, you know, I love doing that. All right. Well, thanks for coming by.